Europe convulsed by protests and riots. People increasingly frustrated with the mounting restrictions as European leaders desperately try to contain soaring COVID cases. At a Berlin demonstration, a coffin for the entertainment industry. Germany closing pubs, restaurants, movie theatres and gyms for all of November. The alternative, Germany's Chancellor warned, an acute health emergency. In a national television address, the French president announcing a second, at least month-long lockdown.
Si je sais la lassitude.
I know you are weary, but he warned France is at risk of being overwhelmed. In every one of Europe's major nations, it's the same story. Daily deaths are rising frighteningly fast, 40% in a week. Infections in France quadrupling since early September. More than 33,000 new cases on Tuesday alone. German infection rates lower, but approaching their April peak. Spain even higher, but like most nations, its numbers of deaths are still low. Even Italy, suffering so many fatalities the first time around. Almost 25,000 infections in 24 hours, while 205 people died. In the Czech Republic, they've recorded the second highest per capita death rate in the world. Some of Belgium's doctors say they have been told to keep working even if they have the coronavirus. While Russian officials admit that in 16 regions, healthcare beds are at 90% capacity. We must monitor the situation, says President Putin. Reports in some parts of Russia say the sick are being turned away from overwhelmed hospitals.
My goodness, Keir. So these alarming trends in Europe, they also are causing some concerns in global markets as well, apparently. What more can you tell us about that?
Yeah, that's right, Craig. London's main market barely recovering this morning from an avalanche of selling yesterday. It's at a sixth-month low. The same story in markets across Europe and there in New York. Basically, traders are waking up to the picture that the Northern Hemisphere may suffer from this coronavirus wave right through the winter. And of course, the issue is there and here in Europe, so many businesses haven't actually been able to recover from the first wave, Craig.